Right now, we're doing the ball joints. Looks like, actually, it is a picture of a ball joint, but we're doing the I-beam pivot bushings. I'm not gonna be able to record it right now because the GoPro is not working, and my phone will die like in 5-6 minutes because the battery, and this phone's like 4 years old. Look, I'm gonna show you real quick what it's doing, guys. It's just not. Where is it? It's not pressing. It's not working. I can't do anything. Look, it's just going through the settings. There's no way to turn it off. I think the front is to hold it in the front, turn it off. It doesn't even want to turn off. So there's no video, guys, because this is, I think my camera already gave out. So then you guys know. Or maybe it'll die and it'll go to reset. Hopefully that is what I'm planning that's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna let you know that we're just doing the bushings and showing you. Check it out, guys. Where is it? I can't show you. There it is. Okay. Check out this crazy gun I'm using too. I'll show you because I don't know if I'm gonna show you in that video because the GoPro is messing up. But check it out. Watch. Ooh. So that's what we're doing, and yeah, hopefully it dies. So by the time we get to the other side, I can turn it on again and start filming. But this is only like a minute and 40 seconds long.